Hello everybody, welcome to this vlog. My name is Satya. So this is the part 5 of Wi-Fi Diagnostics series. So in the previous part or previous vlog, we discussed about what is co-channel interference, what is adjacent channel interference, and what causes them, right? So we discussed all those things, but the main question that might pop up to most of the people who are viewing this video is, what is the benefit of debugging the Wi-Fi medium, right? The first thing is, as I mentioned in one of the videos, that instead of raising an ISP call for a Wi-Fi problem, there are two parts to it. If your Wi-Fi signal is working, or your internet connection is working. So there are two different parts, right? So if the Wi-Fi signal is weak, or you're having a buffering issues, that video is not getting played properly, or your voice call is having a lot of lag, then we can debug saying at the Wi-Fi level, right? So if there is no internet connection at all, right, Wi-Fi is not getting connected, or Wi-Fi is connected but it shows the globe internet connection is not there, then you can raise an ISP service provider ticket and they will debug it. But if it is a Wi-Fi problem, then you can debug it from your end itself. This is the first use case, right? The second use case, most important thing, is as and when the Wi-Fi devices or smartphones or laptops or Apple devices are increasing in the households, the Wi-Fi connection is the main connection through which you connect to the internet at home, right? Even at public places also, we depend upon Wi-Fi only. We don't use 5G because of the cost, right? So we go through the Wi-Fi because it is less economical to for the with respect to money. So the demand for Wi-Fi analytics, if the Wi-Fi signal is weak, then we can definitely debug our issues and make a career out of it in Wi-Fi analytics in future, right? So especially in next 4 5 years, the way internet is growing, the way internet has already grown, there will be lot of demand for Wi-Fi, right? And more the Wi-Fi, more will be the problems because of adjacent channel interference, co-channel interference, lot of management frames being sent because the stations are not as per the Wi-Fi standards. So you will see a lot of issues. So that's the reason why my push is for to learn the Wi-Fi diagnostics, right? So as part of this vlog, that is the part 5 of the Wi-Fi diagnostic series, I have done few improvements, not the major improvements. The one thing is, in the previous video, part 4, if you have viewed that video, you will come to know that I had put for co-channel interference 5 gigahertz center frequency also. I have removed that, and now I am printing only 2.4 gigahertz access points, right? This wireless scans will show all the access points, even the 5 gigahertz access points are shown, but for consideration of co-channel interference or adjacent channel interference, I'm only considering the 2.4 gigahertz access points, because my access point is operating in 2.4 gigahertz, right? So without wasting too much of time, let's run the script and see what is the output. So wireless LAN statistics .py is the program that I have prepared, which will scan the wireless LAN medium. It will tell how many stations are connected, how many access points are there, to those access points how many stations are connected, and to your access point how many stations are connected, what is the transmit file rate, what is the receive file rate. Usually transmit file rate is very important, right? So then what are the actions frame, management frames, which are of no use seen on the Wi-Fi medium, because here time will be less, right? So let's see what is the output. So wireless LAN statistics .py, once it is run, it will say this many access points are there. As you see here, there is an access point at 2462, that is channel 11. There is an access point at channel 11. There is an access point at channel 1. There is an access point at 5 gigahertz spectrum. There is an access point at 5 gigahertz spectrum. There is an access point at 5 gigahertz spectrum. There is an access point again at channel 1. There is an access point at channel 6. Then there is an access point at channel 1. Now for here I am checking what all access points which are at 2.4 gigahertz and printing them here, right? So then I show what is the current access point details. It is operating at channel 6. The center frequency is 2437, channel width is 20 megahertz, right? Transmit power is 31 dBm. That I will discuss in the later classes. Transmit power, how it determines the receive signal strength at the station. So everything will be discussed. Then I am printing the channel 6 center frequency, which is belonging to our access point. Then I say co-channel interference is the interference caused due to the access point in the same channel frequency. That is, whichever access point is in channel 6 will cause co-channel interference. So there is only one access point which is in channel 6, which is having two stations connected. That's why it's saying number of access points causing co-channel interface is 1. Number of access points causing adjacent channel interface are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Except the 2437, right? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2437 is not considered because it's a co-channel interference. So that's why it's printing 5. Then number of stations connected, as you see, currently I have run the video on the station connected. That's why it is showing 72.2 megabits per second as transmit bit rate. Then the action frames which are coming from unknown station, as it shows here, those action frames are received on channel 11. So channel 11 users will see some airtime to be affected, right? So this is what is the diagnostics that I have done till now. So I am continuously working on it to improve the program and also improve the Wi-Fi diagnostics, right? So the whole purpose of this training is to educate people on how to debug the Wi-Fi issues on their own, so that they can apply, take it as part of their career growth, or they can use to debug their household Wi-Fi problems, right? So if you like the video, please click on the like button. If you don't like the video, put a comment saying what details are missing, what you want to know more, so that I can work on it and provide more inputs to it. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel for more informative healthy tips on Wi-Fi. Okay, thank you, bye.